Hi, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to create hyperlink to one sheet to another. So let's begin. As you can see in my worksheet, there are 5 multiple sheets here. There is January, February, March, April sheets, and there is one hyperlink sheet. So in the hyperlink sheet I typed numbers from 1 to 4 and also type the names of sheets here so that I can create the link of these names to the corresponding sheets. While linking one sheet to the next, I'm going to show you multiple ways. So the first and the simplest option is to link one sheet to another is to use the shortcut called Control K. So I am going to use this shortcut hyperlink for this January name. Select this cell and press Ctrl K. So this shortcut brings up this dialog box. From this dialog box, I'm going to choose this option, place in this document. As you can see, there are different sheets names here. Since I am going to link this January name to the January sheet, so select this and click OK. I have created the first link for this January sheet. So now I'm going to apply the second method. For this, select this cell and go to Insert tab and go to this link option. When you click on that, the dialog box opens. Since I want to link this to the February, so I just click on this and click OK. Now the hyperlink for the February sheets have been created. The third option is to create the hyperlink. Select this cell, right click on it, go to this option link, when click on this, the dialog box opens. Now in this time, I'm going to show you one more thing. I will choose a specific cell to link with this text. As you can see, by default, the link is to A1 cell on the sheet. That I am going to change this by F7, and this cell is in March sheet. So select this and click OK. Now when I click on this, you can see this will go to the cell F7 in March sheet. Now we are going to use the named range. As you can see, there is a table in the April sheet. First, I select all the table cells and name this in the name box. I am going to call this range as sales report. Whenever you name range, make sure don't leave any space. After changing name range, go to hyperlink. Since I am going to link this one to the specific name range, so select this and again press Ctrl K. So you can see under defined name we have sales report as a new entry. So I click on this and now when I click on this I will go directly to this name range. Now I am going to share with you a trick to go from each of these sheets to the hyperlink sheet. So let's do it. First go to the insert tab and shapes. Now I am going to add the simple arrow. When I click on this arrow, this will take us back to the hyperlink sheet. First select the shape, right click on this and choose link option here, and I will select this option place in this document and select the hyperlink and click OK. When I click on this arrow, this will take me back to the hyperlink sheet. Now we can also copy it on the other sheets. This will perform the same function. If you like this information to create hyperlink to one sheet to another, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.